Amazon Kitchen Finds. This is a cup that tightens when you twist it, so it stops liquid from falling out, and it also comes with a straw. This measuring spoon is adjustable, so it's perfect for cooking, and it has 9 different measurements. If you have used cooking oil, get this powder that magically solidifies it so you can easily scoop it out of the pan. This is a garlic dicer that cuts up garlic by pushing it around on the counter. These are beer sticks which keep your drink cold, and it's made out of metal so it won't water it down. This is a hot dog roller that you put on your grill so it evenly rotates all the hot dogs at once. This is a Thaw-claw which traps your meat underwater so it can thaw evenly. This is a spinning whisk that rotates when you push down, which makes it easy to stir things. This is a pop ice mold. All you have to do is pull it apart and then you can dispense ice without even touching it. This gadget can help you open any size jar, and it even has an attachment for bottles and soda cans. These are food labels which dissolve once you put them in water. This is a penguin egg holder which holds your eggs in place when you're boiling them. This is a rotary cheese grater that comes with 3 attachments, and you can also use it with vegetables. This is a can pump which keeps your soda or fizzy drinks fresh after they've been opened. This is a drink dispenser. All you have to do is press the button and the drink comes out automatically.